I still don't have the Wi-Fi.
What? Harimu Jawa 2024?
Nuh-uh.
I already told you.
You texted me it?
No, I already told you the Wi-Fi is Karimun Jawa 2024.
I don't know how to spell that. That's a lot of spelling. Oh, what's up, guys? Just took a 2 to 3 hour bus ride from Semarang to Yogyakarta. I feel pretty good right now, honestly. I don't want to go out. Holy shit. This is the furthest I've been actually away from home. And I guess both senses, really. Gonna go to a bar right now. Let's get it, bro. Let's fucking get this shit. Peace. We have arrived to Yogyakarta with my friends Luigi and Rohan.
Well, my name is not Rohan.
What's it?
Rowan.
Oh, Rowan. Rowan. Oh, that's embarrassing. What's wrong with Kanye? Do you hate him? Is he egotistical?
He's just a bit of a dick, isn't he?
Good morning, everyone. Well, I guess it's not morning anymore. I woke up at 1. I went to sleep at 6 for reasons. California, right? Rowan. Luigi. Red Velvet. Ritual, of course, just like in Solo. It's going to be a great day. It's going to be a great day, 8 p.m. Walking through the streets of Malibu Street. It's hectic right now. Pretty busy. Pretty busy street, pretty metro, pretty city-like. Everything that they said it would be. I might have to buy some just for the hell of it. Why am I being cheap here? Ooh. Hi. Hey. 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 Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. So this man has been looking for nail clippers for the last 48 hours, and we're walking on the street of Mariboro, and he finds it! Yeah. Are you serious? Oh, okay. You know, most people, they want, you know, shirts, souvenirs, items, but Ron wants toothpaste, and Luigi wants nail clippers. Is she still typing?
No, I'm typing, I'm typing. I got distracted by the nail clippers.
Hey, Ron.
Yeah?
I don't know what pandai, potong kukunya pandai.
Pintar bahasa Indonesia. He's saying you're good at bahasa Indonesia.
What? You're good. But you don't even know where that's been. You don't even know if that's clean. There's so many things that's wrong with this right now. Insane. I just had to tell that story. This man has been looking for nail clippers all day and all of yesterday, and he found what he wanted.
I don't see it, but how does it work? Like,
I don't know.
like he's working, he's like seeing and stuff.
No, it's that way.
Yeah.
Go, 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 Ron. Yes, superstars. Do this. Yeah. Another one, another friend. Yes. Kalian tinggal di mana?
Kalau saya Jakarta.
Oh, Jakarta.
Udah lama di Indonesia.
Saya dari Italia.
Ini main.
Dia dari Amerika, dia dari UK. Ya, Inggris.
Kuliah. Or just visiting.
Yeah, just visiting. Actually, we're studying here for 10 months.
Okay.
10, the two of us were studying in Semarang. She's studying here in Jogja. Yeah.
Did you introduce yourself?
I did. Nama saya Pantai. Means beach.
Your ocean, your beach. What am I?
Sand. You're a mermaid.
You know, my ex-boyfriend used to call me mermaid.
What?
That's
That could be a good or a bad thing,
Let me see what it
depending
is.
on the association.
Putri Dayung. Putri Duyung.
Putri Duyung.
Yeah.
We like Putri.
Nama Putri Duyung, nama pantai, nama samudra.
Nama saya Samudra.
There you have it, guys. Those are our Indonesian names.
Later that same evening.
Tell them where we're at.
Where are we? We're having a beer. A bintang.
A Bintan.
A bintang.
A Bintan on the Bintan. Bintan on Bully Street.
Yeah, good. That's where we are. Jogja. Yogyakarta.
Which one?
Bintang for me. I love bintang.
Tasty. It's not your cup of tea. Is it too sweet?
okay.
You like
Yeah,
that?
it's
You
not
like that
sweet.
real beer, huh? Like you
Yeah.
like that?
Actually, yeah.
People prosing.
Like it.
So you're more of like a Pilsner type girl, would you say? Like hazy IPAs? Bitter? What type of beer do you like?
Regular one, you know, like maybe sometimes dark, but not very like not bitter. For example, I hate Guinness. Like Guinness is not my type of beer.
No.
Like
I'm not like a crazy beer drinker.
What's your favorite animal? Dogs.
My favorite animal is.
Why are you thinking about it?
This is a kind of a hard question because I'm between two.
Okay, what do you
Why?
cats and dogs.
So one of them's a panda because I think that pandas are very innocent. You know, like they just eat bamboo. Like they don't do nothing. Like you know,
They are shit, like, as an animal, like, how do you survive?
by eating bamboo.
Like,
They don't want to have sex.
I mean, like, evolutionary, like, how are they still alive because they're so shit, you know? All they can do is eat bamboo, and that's it.
But that's what makes them cool.
Yeah, I know, I love
They don't want to have sex.
I love
Imagine being an animal that you don't
Scientists,
need.
they have to push them, put hormones on them to make them have sex. They just want to stay there. They don't want to
They literally just want to eat bamboo, that's it.
The less is more. I'd say the second animal that I'm between is the cheetah. Because the cheetah can run approximately.
Yeah, you look like a cheetah.
You are cheetah vibes.
Yeah, I'm cheetah.
What's your favorite animal?
Snake.
A snake?
Yeah, the snakes.
A
I
snake?
love snakes.
That snakes are cool.
Yeah. Snake, they change their fucking skin.
And they can, like, open their jaws and
Yeah, and just grab like an egg, I don't know, and swallow it.
like, whole antelopes, whole humans.
Yeah, they're good.
No, they do.
No, they do.
No, but in
can
Indonesia
do.
there was a story in the news about this lady. She was in her garden and she went missing, and they found her inside a snake. Like,
No way!
dead? Yeah, dead. Obviously.
I'm
Obviously, how is she gonna be alive inside a snake?
She's like, alright guys, let me out! Wait. What? You're saying that there's a lady found inside of a snake.
I'm not fucking with you. I'm gonna show you that. There's a video.
911 emergency. Yeah, we brought a lady inside of the snake. What about you? What's your favorite animal?
Dog.
A dog. What kind of dog?
Just regular, any dog. Like,
Yeah.
I don't have preference.
Well, you came to the wrong country for that one. There's no freaking way.
Oh, you're an anaconda.
No, it's a python.
The following day.
We're at the Yogyakarta Palace.
It's pretty dope, honestly. I like it a little better than the Solo Palace. A little more action.
I don't know if it was just the day, but
We're gonna fight.
Really, nigga?
I can't even lift my foot up that high. I can't even crisscross. I know they sweating too. You see they shiny as hell. And they ain't even got shirts on.
Yeah,
I got two of them. Some gamelan over there.
Gamelan.
Gamelan.
Gamelan is the instrument.
If you can pick your instrument to play, would it be?
Oh, the anglu.
The
one with
anglu.
the one with the bamboo.
That's incredible. Look at this. We got the projectors, got more air conditioning. Oh, hell yeah. Give me that. Jantik. Jantik.
Thank you.
What's the princess doing right here? She's getting some energy boosts to sell us. She say that. Huh. Hey, guys, like, hey, let me get some of that. Hey, you got any more? Are you fluent in Spanish? Nice. ¿Tú entiendes?
Yo no entiendo.
What'd she say to me? She called me a bitch?
No, yeah, I understand.
Oh, she thought I was talking to her, huh?
Yeah. Because you said,
Oh.
¿tú entiendes?
Yes.
She was like, yeah, you entiendes.
Oh, she probably thought I was talking. Yeah. She called me a bitch, bro. That's Juanita.
I know, Juanito. Where is the Juanito?
Oh, that's not how it works.
It's back.
Someone needs more Bahasa training. You know, actually, when my teacher told me when I say Bahasa, I specifically have to say Bahasa Indonesia because Bahasa just means language.
Right.
But then it.
I just went to that.
2 hours later.
They think that it's the best coffee in the world because of specific fermentation out of poop.
In the intestine, in the stomach of this animal. It's called lua. And I was like, I'm against it. I hate this. And they have to stop. Come on.
That's abuse.
Yeah, that's animal abuse. Only in Indonesia you can have this because, of course, nobody else can force an animal to eat coffee and then take the poop. Like, what the hell? This is weird. So they are in cage. You know, they cannot move because they're full of coffee. They feed them like with a lot of.
They literally constipate them.
Yeah.
And that must be so painful for them.
Yeah, exactly. That's it.
What the What's up, y'all? Just, you know, hit a little lick, a little impromptu photo shoot in the middle of Yogyakarta. We just stopped in the middle of the street that looked dope. I mean, these are fire. Look at these. This is the best thing about photography and being a good photographer is you can stop anywhere and see beauty behind the madness. I love Asia so much. So happy here. He's been killing it. You've been killing it today. Did you just have a full conversation?
Yeah. We said like,
I love that we can just stop at a random spot and find beauty in it. You know, that's the best part. We love the city. We had a really good weekend together. We make this plan on Wednesday too. Like this was not planned. We just say get on the bus and go, and we didn't even come at the same time. I was limping, dude. I could not make your bus at all. I overtrained that day. I was literally limping on my way to get.
I know. Actually, I thought that you were like
hurt.
No, you were not coming.
We had a fantastic day, honestly. You know, the Yogyakarta Palace, my boy Luigi, to going on top of the Pinus Panagar statue, hand statue, which pictures will be dropped below right now. Boom, check these out. Yeah, no, those were freaking dope. What the hell? I mean, today was just a flawless day. Look at me, just doing the damn thing. Oh, hostel for 12 bucks 3 nights. And then to top it off, went to a Mediterranean place that was actually pretty fire. Like I spent $20 on the date. I got beef lasagna, hummus, another beer for her. It's like being in Grand Theft Auto and you putting in the cheat code, unlimited money. That's me! This weekend, I probably spent still, and even including tomorrow, we'll probably have spent less than $50. This place is on some different fucking shit, bro.